afternoon, I want to bring you a short word, a word of hope, a word of encouragement. Yesterday, something was brought to my attention, and it had me feeling so excited even until now. When I see in the book of Jeremiah, when I see how the Lord allowed Jeremiah to understand, Jeremiah 1 and verse 19, that though he was in a fight, the fight will not prevail against him. Because I, the Lord thy God, I'm going to be with you, Jeremiah. He said, I am going to deliver you. And some of us today, we can attest to that we are in a battle. Some of us today, we can attest to that we are in a fight. I don't know about you, but if everything that you're trying to do seems to be difficult, seems to be like you can't get through, you're trying to push, you're trying to press, but every time you push and every time you press, something tries to pull you back. I don't know if you're in that position today, but I come to speak a word of life. I come to speak a word of hope. I come to speak loose. I come to let the devil know no retreat, no surrender. I come to let the devil know forward still is Jehovah's will. I come because I want somebody to understand that you don't give up when it gets hard. I come today because I want somebody to understand that when it is hard, you don't give up. Oh, somebody didn't get that. I said I come today because I want somebody to understand that when things get hard, you don't give up. When things get hard, you don't quit. When things get hard, you don't throw in the towel. When the battle intensifies, you don't give up. You don't quit. You continue to press. You continue to trust God. You continue to hold on. You continue to soar like an eagle. Somebody said, I'm getting rid of the weight because I'm about to soar. I'm getting rid of the pain because I'm about to take off. Say, neighbor, I need the pain in order for the balance to come. Say, neighbor, I need things to get on for me to understand my God. And sometimes if it don't get on, can I do it in my flat shoes? Alright, do it without. Listen, if it don't get on, then you won't understand the God in whom you serve. If it don't get on, you won't understand that God did not bring you this far to leave you. Listen to me, somebody. You want to understand that God is still God over your situation, over your circumstances. The reason why you're not getting the victory, you don't believe the God in whom you serve. You have known that He part the Red Sea. You know that He stepped in the fire for Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. You know that He satisfied Anna. Oh God Almighty, while Penina was going crazy, but yet you don't believe He can do it for you. Somebody that is standing in expectation, and somebody that is saying, it's me, God. 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 Listen. The songwriter said, it's me, oh God. I'm standing in the need of prayer. It's not my mother, nor my father, nor my sister. And there comes a time you have to let the Lord know it's me. I'm only human. God Almighty, Sister Kim. Sometimes you gotta let the Lord know it's me. I'm not asking you today for nobody, but it's me. I need to go to my next level. I need a touch. I need a fresh wind. I need a fresh anointing. Somebody said it's me. Listen. This morning my sister sent me a song. And the song said, why not me? And all the time I will tell you what, that we're asking the Lord, why me? God, why am I going through all these struggles? Why me? Why couldn't it be somebody else? God, why me? But I always tell my people, why not you? But I didn't know that there was a song that I heard the song and all I can hear is my story. And I knew my sister wanted to send it to me, but she sent it to a sister group that we have. But what was the coincidence? I was telling them a vision I got last night, and immediately as I sent off the vision, there was the song. And I started to listen to the song, and she said, why not me? Why not me go through the pain? Why not me go through the hardship? Why not me go through the battle? Why not me go through the sickness? Don't you know you're anointed for it? Don't you know you can do it? Don't you know you have what it takes? Listen, musician, this microphone is very light, but we're going to do it. Listen to me. Why not you? Why me? God, why am I the one sick? God, why am I the one broke? God, why am I the one going through this? God. But then I heard, to whom much is given, very much is required. And then I learned, if you don't have a problem, you will not know that God can solve it. If Jeremiah did not have a fight, he would not know that the God that he's representing is the one that can shut the war down. And somebody didn't get that. The thing that you don't want to deal with is right there your miracle lies. The thing that you don't want to deal with is right there your victory lies. But don't say why me. But say God, I'm available. I am ready. I am armed. I am dangerous. I will go through the fire. I will go through the flood. I will go through the rain. No retreat. No surrender. Forward still. It's the overswell. Tell somebody I have what it takes to win the battle. I have what it takes to speak to sickness. I have what it takes to speak to the contrary wind. Is that lesson? Jeremiah, there are many that are against you. You know, sometimes I'm walking and I'm shifting because I know I'm in a battle. But the battle don't trouble me. Because I've won a lot of battles before. I said I've won a lot of battles before. So I don't allow the battles to trouble me. One thing about us as Christians, even though we said we are serving God, we serve Him from a place of fear. We serve Him from a place of doubt. We serve Him from a place of not believing and thinking that He can't do it. But I come to tell somebody, none of you have a situation here today that God cannot deal with. None of you have a situation here today that God cannot take full control. I come to tell somebody that after the battle is the sweet of the victory. I come to tell somebody, what do you do when the odds are against you? What do you do when the battle chooses you? What do you do when the battle chooses you? What do you do when the battle chooses you? You didn't plan for it. I didn't plan for this fight, but I'm in it. And if I'm in it to win it. Somebody didn't get that. What do you do when you are not the one that set yourself up? That was what happened with David. Can I preach it like I feel it? That was what happened with David. The battle chooses him. He didn't have any plan for this battle. It was not his war. But what do you do when suddenly you wake up and you're in the ring? It's okay to be on the sideline. But what do you do when you're in the ring and you hear the crowd? You can do it. You hear the crowd. Knock him out. You hear the crowd. You shall have the victory. What do you do when you're already in the ring? What do you do when you already see the referee just knock the thing and say, listen, and your man get you set go? Said I have a God, Lord Jesus, who never fail. I said I have a God. What do you do, evangelist? When the battle chooses you, somebody you better get up. Years ago, I have a prophetess woman, and she said to me, listen, you're talking about the attacks that you're dealing with. You're talking about who is against you and who is trying to kill you. And she said, don't God send me to help you. I must tell you one thing. And she said, you better get ready to apply your garment. And she said, get up and put your big dress on. I felt in my spirit, this woman was so rude. But now I understand that what I was dealing with, she couldn't fight it for me. I need my own strength. I need my own strength. I need my own weapon. I need my own anointing. I understand that though she was supporting me, though she was saying, woman of God, you can do it. Pastor, you can do it. But she could not fight for me. Somebody, you need to get up. You need to learn how to fight. You need to learn how to fight. I can't do it for you. Even if I want to. There is a race that you have to run. And a victory that you have to win. You better tell the Lord to give me power every hour and keep me true. Somebody, you gotta fight. You gotta press. You gotta push. She said, you better get ready. When you go to the doctor and you do all your blood work and your ECG and all the things that you can possibly do just to find out what is happening with your body, and when everything come back okay, but yet still you feel like you're going to die. And she said, you better learn to fight, woman of God. And she said, listen, don't come to my house, because the situation wanted me to leave my house and just to be around people that was anointed and appointed. If I stay around you all the time when I'm going through my battles, I won't learn how to fight. Because you're going to always be fighting for me. God Almighty, she said, you're not coming to my house today. I learned how to do it the hard way. God did not send a weakling to train me, because God knows a weak person can't deal with me. Oh, God Almighty, somebody don't hear that. The woman said, Evangelist Kim, don't come to my house. I'm like, is this for real? She said, woman of God, don't come to my yard. I'm going in shutdown and I can't go in shutdown with you. Everything in me feels so embarrassed. And I said, oh, could she? But now I know why. God Almighty, you need your shutdown and I need mine. And now I understand what was going on. And she knew I won't die in it. She knew he was around. I will not know how anointed I am. I will not know that I am royal. I will not know that I'm chosen. I will not know that I'm peculiar. Listen, years ago I did the same thing. Evangelist now wasn't feeling good, and she spent about 8-9 days with me. One day I get up and say, go to your yard. And I wasn't even laughing. Straight in her face, and she wondered, what's happening? I said, you have to go home. You can't hang yourself. She said, Apostle, the feeling's still coming on me. Can I lay down and go tomorrow? I said, no, you got to find your yard. And I watch her taking up her sticks and going in the car, and I didn't feel no way. I said, you're battle that you're in, you can't flip the rock stone from my yard. Go on your yard. The day she leave and go, she start to feel better. Oh God, you don't know tough love. You're thinking about how people will feel. They know you want to feel. Go on your yard. Listen to me. You worry about, oh my God, if I do it, what is going to happen to so and so? You are holding back. Oh my God. I say you're holding back so and so. I need some people that are not hypocrites. Go to your yard. Go to your yard. Listen, you see when she leave and go here? I see a zombie walking around me. I said, what is this? This girl just walking like zombie. I said, what kind of spirit this? I said, go to your yard. You see when she go home, the next day she come back a champion. Listen. I said, you see, you have to go to your yard though. Never come back to me. The next morning, she was at the grill. I said, girl, how you look, sir? She went and she found her own weapon and her own tool. So when I went and I saw her sick, and that was witchcraft, you hear me? And I see what was happening. I said, get up. She was so weak. Can't do nothing, can't move. I said, get up. Everybody looking at her. She you identify who you are. David, he said, listen, God Almighty, you know this man is fighting from he was yet a youth. I am still a youth. And this assignment that is given to me, it is not one that I'm taking ordinary. He said, but if you will go with me, I know I shall get the victory. And David went, because he put God first, he slew the giant Goliath and he take him down. Listen to me, people of the living God. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, God did not show before they went in the fire, but he came after them. Where when you come, someone is stressed, God. Listen, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, they dealt with their situation. They said, King Nebuchadnezzar, with all due respect, we're not going to bow. With all due respect, we're not going to settle God. We're not going to quit. We're not going to bow. We are going to stand to the God in whom we believe. And he said, by a matter of fact, King, even if the God in whom we believe in, it chooses not to come and to deliver us, we still will not bow. Listen, if you stand up for God like that, God will have to come. If somebody stand up and say, even if, that's the side I'm still on. A lot of you, if people don't do what you want to do, you're not in a pattern side again, and you sell them out. But they make up their mind, say, if people do for you, you do for them. Some of you do for you, do for them. You hear me? But at the end of the day, Jesus said, listen, if these boys decided that they're not sell me out, they're going to hold on to their children, and even if the hot fire consume them, they still a hold on. What do you do when the pressures of life are raging? What do you do when your back is against the wall? What do you do when the odds are against you? What do you do when you can't find a way out? What do you do when you hear no? What do you do when you pray and can't get no answer? Listen, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego said, even if God choose not to deliver us, we still not bow. So they start to play the music. You know the music? They start to play the music. A lot of people can't hear music and go low enough. Today you might have thought that you are standing discouraged. You might have felt as though you want to give up, you want to throw in the towel. But I come to tell somebody there is a foreman in your fight. There is a foreman in the fight. The fire has intensified. The fight has intensified. But there is a foreman. Somebody are sighted while you're licking. You are sighted while you're kicking. The odds want to take you down. But there is a foreman. Somebody open up your mouth and say, go on in the fight. You know what happened? I can't complete with the music today. My throat is bothering me. Listen to me. Tell somebody that though I am in a fight, though I'm in the fight,